Want to boost your real estate response rates with the power of text marketing? Let's dive into how you can send texts directly from Kvcore. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Smart CRM section. This is your hub for managing all your leads and contacts. Next, select the contact you want to text. Simply click on their name to open their profile. In their profile, locate the phone number. You'll see a text icon right next to it. Click that icon. This will open a new text message window right within Kvcore, allowing you to communicate without leaving the platform. Now, craft your message. Make it personalized and relevant to increase engagement. For example, you might reference a specific property they viewed or a recent conversation you had. Once you're happy with your message, simply click the send button to fire off that text. You can track all your text conversations within the contacts timeline in Kvcore, giving you a complete communication history. For even more efficiency, explore Kvcore's Marketing Autopilot feature, where you can set up automated SMS campaigns for lead nurturing and follow-up.